Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter, motion. First of all, we will discuss what is the exact meaning of motion. Now just wait for a second and think what will be your answer if I asked you that what is motion. Various answers will come in your mind. You might be thinking that we did motion every day. We seen many things moving in our surrounding. For example, I am standing here, I move my hand, and that is the one kind of motion. But still, it would be difficult to describe the exact meaning of motion. So today we are going to discuss the exact meaning of motion. Suppose if I am standing very close to this point A. If I move a bit like this, then the distance between A and me is very increased. So I can say that I did motion. But what is the main point from how I can say that I did motion? Because distance between A and me is very increased. So now listen carefully. What is the exact meaning of motion? If we want to explain the motion in one word, then we can say that if I did movement, then I did motion. Because first I am very close to this point, and right now I am standing very far from that point. So I did movement and I did motion. Definition of motion is the change in a position of an object with respect to some reference point and time. Now we will discuss what is meaning of reference point. Here I am saying that I did movement or I did motion, but just because of there is one reference point A. Without any reference point, I can't say that I did movement or I did motion. So there is an importance of reference point in a motion. There is two state of motion. First is motion and another is at rest. Definition of motion is if body changes its position with the time, then we can say that body is in motion. In other side, if body doesn't change its position with time, then we can say that body is at rest. Here is some example. First example is book. Now assume that one book is placed on a table. If one person observes this book from the corner of the room, then the person see that the book is at rest. But if person observe this book from the moon, then earth is rotating with respect to moon. So earth is rotating. If earth is rotating, then table is rotating, and table is rotating. This means book is also rotating. So there is a very important term, and that is reference point. So there is no meaning of motion or rest without a viewer or a reference point. In the motion, if object did motion in only one dimension, then that kind of motion is known as linear or rectilinear motion. And if object did motion in two dimensions, then example of this kind of motion is circular motion, projectile motion, etc. etc. And example of three dimension motion. Physics માં આપણે આના sums numerics બધા કરવાના છે પણ physics માં એટલું deep માં જવાનું આવતું નથી.